People are still getting to go out, go boating. The location out here at this point in time is definitely going to be a no wake in the marked buoy sections. As you can see, there's one big buoy out there right now. There's a couple more out around the corner that you can't see at the moment, but they're running from Bagnell Dam all the way up to the 5-mile mark for practicing. There's another one coming now. I can kind of hear him in the distance. There he is. And believe it or not, these boats are flat boogieing. Chasing them right now.